We divide 966 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we put here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 966 divided by 5 is 193 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.